So now next, solubility product constant. It is represented by KSP. SP means solubility product. Okay, so determine the salt of a solubility product constant. Simple, we can say that solubility product is very important. If we know, why should we, so here, why should we learn solubility product of a salt? If we know the solubility product of a sparingly soluble salt, we can determine solubility of that particular salt. And next use is, if we know the solubility product of a salt, we can determine whether that salt would be precipitated or not. We can determine by the using of solubility product value. That's why we should learn solubility product of a salt. So now let's consider how we'll determine the solubility product of a salt. Which salt? Sparingly soluble salt, because in this sparingly soluble salt, equilibrium will establish it. That's why we study only sparingly soluble salts. Is very important. Now let's consider one sparingly soluble salt. Best example for sparingly soluble salt is barium sulfate. Another example, that is silver chloride, but we will see, or we will find the soluble product of barium sulfate. So barium sulfate is a solid form. It is dissociate into ions. Which ions? Barium ion, that is barium +2 ion. This is aqueous. And next one is sulfate ion, SO4 -2 and aqueous. Okay, so sparingly soluble salt into dissociate into two ions. Which ions? One is cation, second one is anion. Sulfate anion, barium cation. Okay, so from this equilibrium we can determine the solubility product. So solubility product is nothing but equilibrium constant for a sparingly soluble salt. So in previous class already we known that chemical equilibrium or equilibrium constant expression. So here that equilibrium constant expression we called solubility, SP, solubility product. Okay, so here what is the solubility product? Here concentration, product concentration is divided by reactant concentration. So product concentration, what is the concentration here? Barium ion concentration, next sulfate SO4 -2 ion concentrations is divided by barium sulfate concentration, but molar concentration of pure solid is remain constant. So that's why barium sulfate concentration is always 1. So product concentration is divided by 1, nothing but product concentrations. This is a, so here KSP is called solubility product. Okay, so now here one is important. From solubility product we can determine the solubility of a solid. So here barium ion is a molar concentration. So barium ion molar concentration is exactly equal to sulfate ion concentration is equal to S, means molar solubility. So S means molar solubility. So by this solubility we can, so by this using of this equation we can find out the solubility of a salt. Okay, so now substitute the S in molar concentration of ions. So now KSP equal how much here? S into S. So here S square, that is KSP, solubility product. From this we can calculate the solubility of salt. So how much here? KSP solubility for whole power 1 by 2. This is a solubility product in your book. So already find out the barium sulfate. How much barium sulfate? So solubility product of barium sulfate. Solubility product of barium sulfate, how much is given experimentally? Found it 1.1 into 10 to the power of minus 10. Okay, so from this we can calculate the solubility of barium sulfate. So what is the equation here? So S equal to KSP. How much the KSP of barium sulfate? 1.1 into 10 to the power of minus 10 whole power 1 by 2. So from this solubility of salt of barium sulfate is 1.05 into 10 to the power of minus 5 m, means moles per liter. Moles per liter. So this is a solubility of barium sulfate and it is a solubility product of barium sulfate. So from this solubility product we can calculate the solubility of sparingly soluble salt. So that is the importance of solubility product of sparingly soluble salts. So here another very important, the dissociation of salts or types of salts is very important. So in this two sparingly soluble salts, which type? 1:1 ratio means AB type. So simple AB type will be, AB type salts are given, we can find out the S equal to KSP whole to the power of half or 1 by 2. Simple. Okay, but another salts, which type? So for example we take a AB2. AB2 type. So here clearly, okay, so understand carefully. So this AB2 type dissociate into, it is a one of the salt, AB2 salt dissociate can form 1 A plus ions plus 2 B minus ions. Okay, it is a 1 and the 2. So we know that the concentration of A plus ions and the concentration of B minus ions equal to molar solubility. That's why we simply say that here 1s and the 2s. So now find out the solubility product of this salt. So solubility product is a KSP equal to concentration of A plus ions and the concentration of B minus ions is, and the power of how much? 2. So now substitute the 1s and 2s in this molar concentration. So simple we can say that 1s into how much b minus ions means 2s, but all to the power of 2. So we can simplify. So 2 square means 4, s into s square means s cube. So KSP is 4s cube for AB2 type. Okay, so from this and we can calculate the solubility. S means this 4 is divided by, so KSP divided by 4 all to the power of cube means 1 by 3. So best example for the AB2 salt is barium, barium chloride AB2. So what is that here? Ions are formed. So barium chloride dissociate into barium plus 2 ions. Next 2Cl minus 2 ions. So here barium plus 2 means A plus ions. Next 2Cl minus ions. Here is also plus 2. Plus 2 means barium plus 2 ions. Okay. So what is that? Barium chloride solubility product is a 4s3. So here don't worry, the values are given. So in your problem, just the salt how can is it dissociated and how many ions are formed, how many cations are formed, how many anions are formed, and the charge is very very important. Next, another type, that is A2B type salt. So here dissociate A2B dissociate into 2 cations plus 1 minus 2 anion. This is best example for the here potassium sulfate K2SO4. It is a dissociate into 2 K plus ions and 1 SO4 minus 2 ion. Okay, so here this concentration is equal to solubility is converted into solubility, that is 2s and the 1s. So now find out the KSP of this type of salt. What is that concentration of A plus ions and the power of how much? 2. Next, concentration of B minus 2. So A plus means how much solubility is it? 2s, that is whole power of square. Next into B minus 2 just only s. So from this 2 square means 4s cube. It is also same KSP. So from this solubility of this salt is KSP is divided by 4 power of 1 by 3. Which type of salt? A2B. And the very very important, that is A3 and B4 types of salt. It is a dissociate into 3 moles of A plus 4 ions plus 4 moles of B minus 3 ions. Okay, so A plus 4 ions is a 3s and the B minus 3 ions also is 4s. So now find out the KSP of these types of salt is concentration of A plus 4 ions and how much the power is a 3. Next, concentration of B minus 3 ions and how much the coefficient is a 4 power of coefficient. So a plus 4 is a 3s in the whole power of 3s. B minus 3 is a 4s and the power of 4. So from this we can simplify, obtain a final value, that is 6912. So s cube s power of 4, that is s7. This is a KSP value. So from this, solubility of this type of salt is KSP is divided by 6912 whole to the power of 1 by 7. Which type of salt? A3B4. So best example for in your book the salt is given, that is zirconium phosphate, PO4, zirconium phosphate. It is dissociate into, so zirconium 3 means is a 3 moles of zirconium plus 4 ions plus 4 moles of phosphate ions. Okay, it is clear. B minus 3, PO4 minus 3, 4 moles. From this, so directly I will write the solubility product 3. Okay, so here 3s. So 3s whole to the power of cube, whole to the power of cube, and 4s whole to the power of 4. So from this directly I will write the solubility product, that is KSP is divided by 6912 whole power 1 by 7. Okay, so finally general equation for all types of salts. Okay, that is for example mx and xy. It is one of the solid salt, dissociate into x moles of m plus p plus ions, means anions, x moles of anions, plus y moles of cations, means having a negative charge, is a -1, -2, -3, like this, +1, +2, +3, +4, like this. Okay, so dissociate into ions. Now, so here is also, what is that? The dissociated ion is a S, XS, and the here is also, what is that? YS. So now find out the KSP value. So what is that concentration of MP plus means +1, +2, +3, like this concentration, and the power how much? X powers. And next one is concentration of Q minus -1, -2, -3, -4, like this concentration. How much the power of is a Y. So here M plus means XS. So cation, here cations means XS whole power how much? X. Next YS whole power Y. So from this we can calculate it and simplification, x power of x and the y power of y. Now S is x plus y. So it is the KSP value. From this we can calculate it. The S means KSP is divided by x power x and y power y. So whole to the power of how much? The 1 by x plus 5. So this is the information about solubility product of different types of salts. From this solubility product we can calculate the solubility of different types of salts.